Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial we're going to teach you how you can switch between columns in your documents on Google Docs. So let us get started right away. So head over to your document on Google Docs, and as you can see I prepared a document featuring a column here on the left hand side and one here to the right hand, and I would like to swap positions between these columns. This is how you can do it, guys. It is actually very simple. Hover your mouse over one of these columns. So let me go for example with column number 2. And here at the top, somewhere around or close to the upper border of that column, you will see the cursor will change to a hand cursor like this. So if you see this, guys, simply click on it. And after that, hold your left mouse and drag the column here to the left position to replace the column to the left or to switch positions. And there you go. Now column number 2 is here on the left and the other column has been moved to the right here, and that's how it works in practice, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.